50 Essential English Conversations for Beginners. 1. Greeting someone or repeat after me. A. Hello. B. Hi, how are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. 2. Introducing yourself. Repeat after me. A. What's your name? B. My name is Allie. A. Nice to meet you. 3. Asking about age. Repeat after me. A. How old are you? B. I'm 20 years old. 4. Asking where someone is from. Repeat after me. A. Where are you from? B. I'm from Afghanistan. 5. Asking about Job. Repeat after me. A. What do you do? B. I'm a student. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. 6. Talking about daily routine. A. What do you do every day? B. I study and work. 7. Asking for help. Repeat after me. A. Can you help me? B. Yes, of course. 8. Saying thank you. Repeat after me. A. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. 9. Asking for directions. A. Where's the bus stop? B. It's near the bank. 10. Ordering food. A. I'd like a sandwich, please. B. Sure. Anything else? 11. Buying something. A. How much is this? B. It's $5. 12. Talking about time. A. What time is it? B. It's 8 o'clock. 13. Making a phone call. Repeat after me. A. Hello, is this Ali? B. Yes, speaking. 14. Talking about weather. A. How's the weather today? B. It's sunny. 15. Asking about family. A. Do you have brothers or sisters? B. Yes, I have 2 sisters. 16. Talking about hobbies. A. What's your hobby? B. I like reading. 17. Asking for permission. A. May I come in? B. Yes, please. 18. Talking about likes. A. Do you like coffee? B. Yes, I do. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. 19. Talking about dislikes. A. Do you like spicy food? B. No, I don't. 20. At the doctor. A. What's the problem? B. I have a headache. 21. Making an appointment. A. Can I make an appointment? B. Yes, for tomorrow. 22. Talking about study. A. What are you studying? B. I'm learning English. 23. Asking for repetition. A. Sorry, can you repeat that? B. Sure. 24. Saying goodbye. A. Goodbye. B. See you later. 25. Asking about price. Repeat after me. A. Is this expensive? B. No, it's cheap. 26. Talking about location. A. Where are you now? B. I'm at home. 27. Making a suggestion. A. Let's study together. B. That's a good idea. 28. Talking about free time. A. What do you do in your free time? B. I watch movies. 29. At the market. A. I want some apples. B. How many? 30. Asking about language. A. Do you speak English? B. A little. 31. Talking about school. A. Do you go to school? B. Yes, every day. 32. Asking about transport. A. How do you go to work? B. By bus. 33. Making a request. A. Please open the door. B. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. 34. Talking about food. A. What's your favorite food? B. Rice and chicken. 35. Talking about sleep. A. What time do you sleep? B. At 10 o'clock. 36. Asking about health. A. How do you feel today? B. I feel good. 37. Talking about friends. A. Do you have many friends? B. Yes, I do. 38. Talking about plans. A. What are your plans? B. I want to learn English. 39. At the shop, A. Can I try this? B. Yes, you can. 40. Talking about internet, repeat after me. A. Do you use the internet? B. Yes, every day. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. 41. Asking for opinion. A. What do you think? B. I like it. 42. Talking about travel. A. Have you traveled before? B. Yes, I have. 43. Asking about address. A. What's your address? B. It's near the park. 44. Talking about phone. A. Is this your phone? B. Yes, it is. 45. Talking about work time. A. When do you work? B. In the morning. 46. Making an offer. A. Can I help you? B. Yes, please. 47. Talking about clothes. A. I like your shirt. B. Thank you. 48. Asking about distance. And A. Is it far? B. No, it's near. 49. Saying sorry. A. Sorry, I'm late. B. No problem. 50. Encouraging someone. A. You can do it. B. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations.